I can crack cat. Anybody can.
सबकी लगी हुई है।
I need to do something which is out of the box.
नहीं, इंडियंस हम हैं, हम कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ तो लगा ही लेते हैं।
I was good in creative things, artistic things, as well as studying. So it was a very picky thing for me to choose. After my MBA, I got a placement in Airtel. A lot of people in India are doing MBA because they don't have a job. Yes, I grew up in Jaipur, the pink city.
नर्सरी में you got 99.99%। मतलब in your school नर्सरी में परसेंट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं।
I am kind of discovering things right now. I'm kind of learning things. So right now I will focus on that for the next 1 or 2 years.
She's
So-
getting emotional. I can hear the emotions in her voice. She needs to start talking about football.
A lot of competitions that used to happen, and I always used to participate in all of them. I used to participate in theater a lot, in art, painting, these kind of things a lot.
Not every first year MBA gets those responsibilities.
That with my one mistake, with just like one thing I procrastinated about, something can go really wrong here. So I became really
My
cautious.
boss asked me to photocopy documents. Yeah, यार MBA करके I was photocopying papers.
I think everything happens for a reason.
आपने MBA इसलिए किया, IIM इसलिए गए क्योंकि आपको हॉस्टल में रहना था।
Once a marketeer, always a marketeer.
25 people are doing the whole of Airtel business marketing in India, and you're one of them.
I handled a whole event that happened with CXOs coming in, CIOs coming in. I was the second person who was handling it with my manager. I think people are giving more responsibility and accountability to MBA grads these days. At the time when I was thinking of giving PMD or preparing for it, 2 to 3 people committed suicide or something because of the pressure and all that.
Do not get stressed।
So my dad's a doctor, and I had this inclination of being a doctor when I grow old as well.
सडनली 9th स्टैंडर्ड 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हम हिंदी पढ़ रहे थे, आधे तो वर्ड्स ही नहीं समझ आ रहे थे। हिंदी की टीचर भी ना डिक्शनरी लेके बैठी हुई थी क्योंकि उसने भी हमेशा ICSE बोर्ड की हिंदी पढ़ाई थी।
When I was thinking of doing masters, my first choice was to do masters abroad.
कि मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे आए हैं, मैं कॉमर्स क्यों लूँ, मैं तो साइंस ही लूँगा।
I remember a time when I've stressed, and because of that stress I've worked hard, and because of that hard work I have gotten into something. It has been a cycle of things.
It doesn't matter how many calls you get. I know people जिनको 6, 7, 8 calls आई हैं, zero conversion. And I know people जिनको एक कॉल आई है अहमदाबाद या बैंगलोर से, full 100% conversion उसी में पहुंच गए हैं।
Basically, like if you've secured a position in a normal company, you can still apply for a dream company. But I think for us this was the case. Now the rules have changed a bit.
So dad's a doctor, mom studied medicine, and you decided कि साइंस भी नहीं लेना।
कि people who went and did more education, their careers did accelerate compared to people who did not do extra education.
अगर मैं कैट नहीं क्लियर कर पाऊंगी, what was your alternative path? Don't be scared.
The marketing is there in my heart and my soul always.
That's very impressive, Harshita. That's very impressive.